Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thank you for joining me today. Today I wanted to share with you the projects that I made for Buttons Galore and More for July. As you guys probably know, I'm on their design team and I submit three projects every month. And I just recently submitted these, so I wanted to share them with you and show you what I made because they're really cute, I think. So they have some new Sprinklets out that I wanted to show you. This is what I use to create my projects. These are the different kinds. This one is called Pastel Blooms, and it's really pretty. 3 different color flowers. There's yellow, pink, and green, and you can see they each have like a dark pink colored center. And these are like little clay bits, that you can use in shakers or just use as embellishments as they are. The next one is called Summer Melon. And this one has little slices of watermelon that are adorable. And then it comes with just like regular traditional sprinkles. There's white, there's light green, and darker green. And it also comes with the little green flowers too. So also very fun, perfect for summer. Speaking of summer, this one, I love this one. It's called Old Glory. And this one has American flags. It's got red, white, and blue stars. And I think that's it. Yeah. So, yeah, I was so excited to get that one. That one's my favorite, I think. And then the last one is called Mirasol, and it's little sunflowers. I think they're sunflowers. And it also has little brown sprinkles, too. So these are great for fall as well, or like late summer going into fall. So yeah, these are new. I will link them down below to their shop. Of course, there are other retailers you can get them from, but I'll just link you right to Buttons Galore's website. So, okay, so the first project I made these little pinwheels, and I just put them in a plastic jar that I had filled with beads just to display them. So these are pinwheels that I made with this die, which I've shown before on my channel. It's from Fun Stamper's Journey. I also have a tutorial on how to make mini pinwheels without a die, so I'll link that down below just in case you're interested. But so anyway, I used the die, and then I used the Old Glory Sprinklets on these. This one, well, actually this one was not Old Glory. This was a different sprinklet set that I had in my stash, but I think it was like a Christmassy one. But I used a star bread to hold the pinwheel together and then just glued on some sprinklets. And they're so lightweight that you can use just regular craft glue to hold them on. I just used some tonic glue and it holds really well. The sticks I used, these treat sticks that I gotten from Joann's on clearance a long time ago. So I just cut them in half and used blue ones for each one. So here's one that I used Old Glory. This one I didn't use, well, this one either. I didn't use double-sided paper, but this one I put the white on the inside. This one's the white on the outside. And I just put a flag on each section, and I think that looks adorable. This one, I have Old Glory in the middle, and then the red, white, and blue stars on the insides. This one, I use the stars and the flag, and then I also use some sparklets that I have from Buttons Galore as well. They're just little clear stars, crystal stars. And I put one of their buttons too on the middle. I just thought that added a fun little touch. This one, I added just some blue stars. I thought the paper was kind of busy, so I didn't want to do too much. And then this one I did use double-sided paper. It's not really double-sided, it's just like a textured paper. And I used sparklets on this one. This one I used the red, white, and blue stars and one flag in the middle. And then the last one, I did use double-sided paper. I used a star-shaped brad, and then I used one of the Old Glory stars in the middle of that. And then I just added Nuvo drops on the inside just to try something different. And yeah, so I think they all look so cute. Did I show you this one? I don't think I did. Sorry, maybe I did. I don't remember, but that one has the flag and stars. So those are all the little pinwheels I made. They're so fun, especially I like making a whole bunch of them and just displaying them all together. Right now, this is just in my craft room, but I'll probably bring it upstairs and like put it on my kitchen tier tray or something, just for fun. They don't work, but you know, they're fun to look at. So that's my first project using their Sprinkletz and that die. So let's move on to the next one. The next one, oh, I altered some mini notebooks from Dollar Tree. These are little like disc-bound notebooks that I got at Dollar Tree a couple of months ago. And I love the discs that it comes with. They're like little hearts inside. But I wasn't crazy about the covers, so I made my own and laminated them and decorated them with some sprinklets. So I wanted to show you what I made. This is just one I haven't worked on yet. So this is the first one. I used paper from Carta Bella's summer collection, and I just cut it to the right size. I laminated it and then punched holes for the discs. Now I don't have like a punch to punch these kind of holes, but what I did was I just punched like half a circle and then just cut slits from the circle down to the end, and that works fine to use, these disc-bound notebooks. So I wouldn't want to do that for every page, but for a cover, that works fine. So, and I did that for the back as well. So anyway, I used some of the Sprinklets. I used the pastel blooms. And for this, I used E6000 to glue these on because, the cover of a notebook, it might get a little jostled like inside your purse or something. And this is laminated paper, so you want to make sure you have something that has a good bond with it. So E6000 works really well just to stick things on to this. So I added just a little sticker onto the bottom, and I think it's really a cute customized notebook. The original covers were like this, so which were fine, but I just wanted to make it, personalized. So that was the first one, and then I made another one. This is also laminated by me. I used the summer collection from Carta Bella, and I just used a cute background paper and a piece of their ephemera, or actually this was a sticker. I added a bunch of these sunflower sprinklets, the Marisol ones, which I just love. They're so pretty, right? So the best summer memories, you could just use this as like a mini journal or something, just a notepad even, and then that's the back. So simple to do. Let me know if you want me to show you how to, create these little covers just in my amateur kind of way. But I thought that was fun. I wanted to do something different, so I altered those little notebooks. So that's my second project. And okay, my third project, I had made these before, and they're inspired by Armine, who is Happy Mail Queen. Hi, Armine, if you're watching. She had made a while ago these cute little embellished like shaker envelopes. So this is the first one I made, and they're not like, you can't really use them as envelopes. They're more for like an embellishment. But I like them. I like to use these as like the cover of a mini album or a scrapbook album or something. So again, I used the Carta Bella Summer Collection. On the inside, I made a shaker and I filled it with the Marisol shaker bits, sprinklets, the sprinkles as well as the flowers. I used a chipboard accent for the little flower truck. I glued on some more of the sprinklets, and I glued on some Buttons Galore buttons too there also. And then I just made a little tag with some more sprinklets on it. I embellished a garment pin with some seed beads, tied a ribbon around it, and it's just like a fun little addition to this. And then like I like to add like little things into here too if I add it to an album, you know, just like some photos or journaling bits or whatever. So that's what that one looks like. And I will link Armin's video on how to make these down below if you're interested, because she explains it very well. So that's the first one I made, and then I made another one. This one is also nice and summery with the summer collection. Again, I added one of those pinwheels that I make there. I used the watermelon shaker bits for this shaker envelope, and that's the summer melon pack. So fun to do. These really are. I made this tag, just like another, you know, piece of the watermelon paper. And then I added a piece of the chipboard just because I thought it looked cute in there. I added a brad. I happen to have a watermelon brad, so that was there. I glued on some coordinating buttons from Buttons Galore to a piece of chipboard embellishments. And then I added some lace too, just to add some texture. So, and then of course I stitched around, which I didn't mention on that one, but that kind of holds the acetate in place in the back, and I like the different textures too. So yeah, these are embellishments that'll go on to some summer albums or maybe in some Happy Mail. But yeah, I love crafting for summer. Summer is not my favorite season, like in real life. I don't like being hot, but I love all the summer colors and fruit themes and flowers and stuff like that. So anyway, I hope you like my projects. I will link Armin's video down below. I'll link the products on Buttons Galore's website. And yeah, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear which one you like the best. And yeah, I will be back soon with another crafty video. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye guys.